Let me be a lamp unto the feet of my brother, that I may help him through the hard times. When rain falls down upon him, let him know I will lift him up. When his load is too heavy to bear, when his steps are weary and no comfort can be found, let me be as a breeze unto the back of my brother, that I may help him through turbulent times. When the world rises up against him, when the waves get too high, and the harbour seems so far away, let him know I am a safe shore, and will help him to find firmer ground. Let me be an answer to the prayer in my brother's heart, that I may have served some purpose here, not only to those whom I love, but also to my brothers I have never met. Let me walk each day in the knowledge that no man ever walks alone, and live life to the fullest until the trumpet's last sound.